channel Pharmagist. In today's video we'll be learning about shape-based screening. Myself Dr. Haimavati, and let's start our video. So what is shape-based screening? This shape-based screening is an effective method for identifying small molecules that are similar in shape to a reference ligand. Suppose we take a ligand and we compare this ligand with different ligands which are already present in any database. It can be a commercial database or it can be a private database which contains millions of compounds which are similar in structure to the ligand which we are taking and which we want to study. It is one of the virtual screening methods, and by using this method we can identify potential leads which match the three-dimensional shape of the query molecule. For example, you can take any known drug like the structure of an aspirin and you can search it across the databases. The principle involved in this method is it assumes the molecules with similar shapes will have similar biological activity. That is, suppose if we take the shape of a molecule like isoniazid. So whichever molecule is having a similar shape to the isoniazid molecule will have similar biological activity and it will bind to the same target. So this is the principle behind this method, and it is a very fast and computationally efficient method to do docking. And this method is useful when the target structure is unknown. And applications of this method are, it can be used to identify new scaffolds for a target molecule and find the analogs of a known active compound. For example, suppose now let us see the process, how this happens. You have to define the query molecule over here. For example, suppose take the three-dimensional space of this isoniazid molecule. So this is a small shape, very small molecule, and it is easy to study this. So that's why I have taken this molecule. And now what we do is we take the structure of this molecule, so the three-dimensional space. We can see here the ball and stick structure, and we compare with the number of databases. For example, we have small molecule databases like zinc and PubChem. In this zinc and PubChem, some millions of compounds are already present. So what we do is we search that compound database by taking this shape of the molecule, and we select all the molecules which are having the same shape as this isoniazid structure. They will be considered. So we will match this structure to that compounds which are already present in the database and which are having similar structures, they will be taken, and then they are given ranking. So whichever molecule is having same shape and same alignment will be ranked higher. Now let us see what are the different tools for shape-based screening. So we have a number of online available free web servers and websites, and also locally installed softwares. And let us see those. Now we have PharmIt. So this PharmIt is an interactive exploration of chemical space. This is a freely available web server. So you can go to Google and type the web address for this PharmIt. Here it is available at pharmit.csv.pit.edu. When you type this website, you will get the home page. And on the home page, you can upload your reference ligand, like just now which I have shown the isoniazid structure. You can upload the reference ligand, then it will filter and visualize the results based on pharmacophore. So you can give different search terms. You can search the database based on the pharmacophoric features or the molecular properties or the shape similarity. So here you can find the compounds which are having same three-dimensional features of your query ligand. Next, another web-based tool is SwissSimilarity. So in this SwissSimilarity also you can upload your structures and you can search for similar structures across the number of libraries which are available. And this is also a very fast and rapid method where you can identify molecules which are having similar shape to the query ligand. So here you can give the structure in the format of smiles or the three-dimensional space also. Next, another tool is the Ultra Shape Recognition Virtual Screening tool. This is also a freely available server where you can search for the molecules which are having similar shape to the query molecule. And another one is the Chem Mapper. So this is also a freely available tool to search similar molecules based on the three-dimensional geometry or the pharmacophore features. And other tools are this virtual screening flow. It is an open source virtual screening toolkit. Here what we have to do is you can go to the website and you have to download that this virtual screening workflow software into your laptop or system, whichever is available, and you can perform the screening on your own laptop. And another one is the Open 3D Align. This is also a locally installable software and it is a free and open software. You can download it in your system and you perform the screening. So if you have any private libraries and you want more confidentiality, then you can install these local softwares. Next, another one is the ligand similarity using click detection algorithm. So this is also same. You have to give the plugins and perform the screening. And for better results in this shape-based screening, what you have to do is you have to take the large databases like Zinc or PubChem where millions of molecules are available, and you can generate the conformers and compute the shape similarity, give the ranking and visualize them. And you can also integrate the tools like Farmit or Swiss Similarity for better results. So the query selection is important. So if you want a highly effective compounds, you need to give the correct and exact structure and the relevant active conformation. That is the bioactive conformation is critical for this, and generating the different conformers is important, and database selection is important. So this is about shape-based screening. I hope the video was informative. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.